Good afternoon again, you fans from YouTube. I'm going to be doing a test of the Simplex Model 4050 fire alarm horn. This is very similar to the 4040, only the 4040 is just a little bit louder, and the diaphragm, or the thing that vibrates, is square, whereas on the 4040 the diaphragm is round. 4040 is a little bit louder. 4040 has more of a nat sound, whereas the 4050 has got more of a burr sound to it. 4050 runs on 12 volts AC like the 4040 does. I'm doing a series of tests for you. I'm going to do a few codes. First one's going to be continuous. Then we're going to go ahead and do march time, then temporal code, and code 4-4. So here we go with continuous. March time. Temporal code. And 4-4. And there you have it. Hope you all enjoyed.